Social media has transformed the way we interact with each other in 21st century. In today's quick and short video, I will be showing you two possible solutions about call issues and data connectivity problems. First thing first, you need to open WhatsApp Messenger, go into the settings area, then click on storage and data. Here we have a couple of tabs in front of you. First thing you need to do is use less data for calls. Enable this tab into green, from gray into green. When you enable this tab, the phone will have access towards low or use less data for calls when you try to make and receive calls using WhatsApp Messenger. This will sort your problem, especially when you are traveling and moving between 4G, 3G and 2G connections. Second thing is when you send a chat message or when you send a multimedia message including audio files as well as pictures and videos, for some reason your message is not being sent across and it's just stuck between chat windows. For that reason, you can come back into the network storage or network usage, click on settings, data and storage, and then click on network stat or network usage, and you can reset this option. What this will basically do is this will reset all the network traffic which has taken place between your device and your network, and hopefully your problem will be sorted. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. If you have any feedback or comments, do let us know in the comment section below. Take care. Bye bye.